Kia ora everybody, and today I'm on a trek through Kapiti Island. Never done this before, and I brought my friend behind me, who's also my host. Where is he? There he is. Hamish. Say hi, Hamish.
Hi, Hamish.
Good, good man, you've learned. Unlike that Jensen. This place is a secluded island, home to apparently 0 predators and about 14 species of birds. You can hopefully just hear them around.
Now I know what you're thinking. What and where is Kapiti Island, and what are these two handsome men doing out here? And how did they get out here? Well, to answer all those questions, Kapiti Island is about 5.5 kilometers west off the coast of the town of Kapiti, which itself is 50 kilometers north of Wellington. We went both up and down the Wilkinson's track. It was the easiest of our two options, landing us 550 meters at the very top of Kapiti Island. Now, if you don't think you're quite as robust as Hamish and I, there are other tracks that are quite a lot easier on a different spot of the island that you get to through the same tour. But no matter which way you're going, there is only one way to get there, unless you're Jesus or Dynamo, and that's by boat. But before you even get on that boat, you have to clean up.
Yeah, do your security check, Hamish. Is there any food in the lunchbox? Look at that. Good job. Yeah, we do our own biosecurity here. You tell me if there's anything in there. I'm talking to the... Yeah, very important that you check your shoes.
I mean, I just got one this morning to that part. It's all right, but the disinfecting process is probably not a bad idea still.
Yeah, do the other one. Come on. No one's paying you to talk. So this is the warehouse. No, that doesn't sound right. I don't think this is a warehouse. Yeah, this is the warehouse. It's a funny looking warehouse. It's red, I guess. Eh. And Hamish just took a piss. That was a good time to turn around. How you find it so far, buddy?
Good. Yeah, really good.
Wonderful.
Should we get started?
Yeah, let's go.
Up to the next group.
Yeah. It's not 2 o'clock, is it?
9 o'clock.
Yep.
Okay. So we're just at the start of the Wilkins.
Hey, you want to say that again? Yeah, just at the start of the Wilkinson. We haven't even started yet. How exhausted are you?
More than I'd care to admit, but we'll get going.
Yeah. Whew. Oh, that's a lookout. Yeah.
Should we keep going?
Yeah. And for the next hour, it's the Hamish Arse channel. 24 hour access to the civil arse.
No, not access, touch only.
Touch only.
That is Enjoy the view from here.
Go for it. Tell you what, I am going to take a wee film of this pest trap. Despite currently being a predator-free zone, they're still always wary of potential predators, such as stoats and possums and whatnot. Can't quite see all the way in, but I'm going to go ahead and not put my hand in it, and I'm definitely not going to try and put myself in it. I think I qualify as a pest. Most people say that. Good. Got stairs next. You've got to admire just how the trees made their roots go in this square shape to create what you can only describe as stairs, really. I wonder if this is where, I don't know who invented the stairs. Da Vinci? Da Vinci invented the stairs from. Stolen right from nature.
Never thought I'd sympathise so much with the width of the waist.
You know, I was going to say that, but I thought that would be too rude.
A chair! It's mine! One day they're all we have.
Nice ferns. Heaps of these in the microsomes.
That's good colouring. Where are you, little shit? Get down here.
Sure, well, when you're laughing, man, sure. It's a laughing bird.
I might have spilt some nachos on that.
Yeah, I spilled on mine too.
Yeah. That's just the price you pay for mince-based dishes like that. So here we have Kapiti Island's hee feeder. There's been a few, and you chased them all off? Oh. Apparently there's been a few, but Hamish here scared them all. Arrgh. Oh shit.
See any others?
Oh, it moved. Little shit.
Yeah, which one? Was the yellow one? Or the green one?
Yellow one, I think.
The other one was something else. Unless that's just a female one.
Yeah, I think it's the one where the female's really bland. Might be.
Well, it was like a beautiful green colour. I thought that one was like just grey or something, the bland one. I think there's two on that side.
There are two. Yeah, how long do they say that should?
They said it was 2 hours to going up, and this is halfway.
Oh, cool.
So, yeah, and we made it here in like 4 minutes.
Good job. Yeah, it seems like that's quite a conservative time.
I guess I'm not fat.
Fuck. You're really pushing your luck, man.
By doc standards.
By doc standards, I'm not fat. You know, it's not just...
Department of Conservation certified.
That means you're doc not unfit. You're not... You haven't just gone through like leg surgery or something, I think. You could have...
Better than a cripple.
Better than a cripple, there you go.
Could win against a kid with polio.
I've got to write that one down. Just better than a cripple. I'll make sure it goes on your gravestone.
Unfortunately, he was wrong. That's how he got it. Beaten by kid with polio.
Hamish, better than a cripple, so...
Hey, at least I get an ironic farewell.
Yeah, I think that's important.
It's not like a platinum standard one, but it's not many people get to say they went out ironically.
Yeah, no. Look, take the win, absolutely.
Looks like some orcs are going to come out of a sheep warming.
Yeah. I think that's why I like this sort of landscape. Actually, that, when I said it before, that reminds me of when the hobbits had sort of just first joined up and they're on the road,
Yeah.
and that one Nazgul comes on horseback.
Yeah, and they hide under the tree.
Yeah. Which I know is in Wellington somewhere. The shooting scene for that.
Is it the
Yeah.
tree bit?
Yeah.
I thought that bit was in the West Coast actually.
Just that one. It's
That one bit, right.
yeah. So I'll definitely go visit that while I'm here. See if I can get there on.
Is it one of the parts that's in the Upper Hutt Gardens? That's Saruman's place.
Oh, real?
Like the gardens around his tower.
Oh.
That's just a public gardens in Upper Hutt.
No, it's not that. No, it's very specific to that one scene.
Right.
Yeah. So, yep, this one scene was filmed here. Yeah, whereas a very
All that,
hilly.
yeah, all that Rohan, all the horseback
Yeah.
stuff, the fellowship and Gimli along in the back.
Yeah. Da-da-da, da-da-da, da-da-da,
That's a good tune.
da-da-da, 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 dun 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 dun, da-da-da. Careful.
I think the going hasn't been quite as tough as the first one.
Maybe you're just getting stronger.
Stronger than we were before.
Yeah. Yeah. Stronger than you were 10 minutes ago.
Better than I was a minute ago.
God, that was like a Stephen Hawking level Leaping logic, that one.
Yeah.
How do we be that close? Just keep going and then we'll be stronger by 10 minutes.
Yeah.
Wow, that looks like a horror tree.
Yeah, I was going to say a flute tree. This is where you get flutes. Yeah, you just, lots of them, you just, cut a section out.
And you gotta shrink them down.
Yeah. Then you gotta dry them, and they, yeah. Flute tree, just give it a whistle. It's cool though, and terrifying. You're right. Yeah. I like that too. Like that tree's like, we're tilting a bit. I think we should grow some scaffolding. We've got to reinforce everything.
Yeah.
So that's,
Back down.
yeah, that's back down. Do not enter. Right, cool. Yeah, just another 30 minutes.
Sweet.
Yeah.
We're there about 10:30, 11.
Sweet. That's plenty of time.
Yeah. So we've got 3 hours to get back on the boat by the time it leaves.
Yeah. And that's plenty.
Yeah.
Like even that says it's only got, from here, I'll only take another hour really to get back. We'll have time to check out the shore.
Oh yeah,
The shoreline.
Yeah,
Yeah.
for sure.
And then we'll leave from the shore. Shore leave. Oh, we've got another trap over there. That's good.
No, go stick your hand in.
All right, Mum.
What do your mum teach you to do? Mum's supposed to tell you not to stick your hand in there.
It's a tough love situation. Like, go ahead, do it. You'll learn faster than if I tell you not to do it. And this is the mythical portal to the Fey world. No fat people allowed. Sorry. So, very, very skinny people only. Okay, so I'll go find another portal.
Where's the one for the dwarves?
I don't know. That hole there. No, that's gnomes.
Just gotta find the portal that's wider than it is tall.
Jesus. That's a tree.
Looks like it's only half of what it was.
Yeah. Well, it's got a thick layer of dirt up there, and it looks like it's starting to grow a fern as well. So that tree is its own ecosystem,
Yeah.
almost. That's cool. And then you got the black sheep of the family, who are just like, screw you guys, I'm going diagonal.
I'm going my own way.
Connect 4, motherfucker. Oh. Might be. I think I got an alright shot. That was cool. That was cool. Hey, Wicker. That's so cool. That's cool. Yeah, I think. Yeah, I don't know if it is dirt. Yeah, I think it's mainly just leaves and twigs that have fallen from above, and or dropped by birds.
And then some stuff like grows over top of it.
Yeah. So don't. Yeah. It's really cool how the trees are.
Or mossy.
Yeah, but they seem to be a lot mossier up here.
Yeah.
Now that we're more elevated.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe further away from the soggy sea spray.
Oh, hello. It's okay.
Let's go tip this.
Hello. It's okay. Yeah, okay. Oh. Hi. It's alright. Oh, you do not give a shit.
Not too worried.
Yeah.
About a meter's about right.
Yeah. That is an absolute view.
The wind at the top, with nothing to slow it down, just howls. I'm dialing down the volume of the video because of just how brutish the wind up here was. But on a really clear day like today, look how far you can see. You can see the South Island from here. On a clear day, I can see for a very long way. On a clear day, I can see for a long way.
That is the way to do it. The food was so good.
I can see you. Yeah. Here we are, I guess, at the Kapiti Island coast. We've done our trek. Alright, and 12 words. Describe your experience.
It was good, like many great views and memories.
Well done, well done. Good job. Round of applause. You heard it here. You heard it here first, folks. Oh, a bird. Good job, bird. Good job. Out next, we've got to go back home, which is over there somewhere.
Yeah, where that big tower is.
At the big tower. Right, that's home. So, right, guess we better start walking.